Communication is key to employee engagement. Communication includes personal connections, giving and receiving honest feedback, and sharing a collective vision. Clear communication about tasks, responsibilities, and performance can help keep employees on the right track and boost their confidence. Making respectful, two-way communication in the norm in your organization also helps employees feel heard and valued, which can increase overall engagement. Engaged employees are more loyal, productive, and dedicated, making fewer mistakes and producing better quality work. This ultimately improves customer satisfaction and loyalty. Try to avoid a communication breakdown. Employees receiving insufficient or conflicting information may feel frustrated and directionless, with little understanding of what's expected or how to succeed at the job. Uninformed employees make mistakes and poor decisions that can cost time and money to correct. A Grammarly and Harris Poll study found that ineffective communication can cost U.S. businesses up to $1.2 trillion in losses every year. Employees who believe that they aren't heard won't feel valued or connected to their company, leading to low levels of engagement and employee retention, as well as higher labor costs. These problems can be avoided by developing an effective employee communication strategy. Although communication strategies evolve as new technologies emerge, there are a few basic principles of effective workplace communication that generally remain unchanged. Symmetrical, two-way exchange between managers and employees is an important element of effective workplace communication. In a symmetrical exchange, the balance between the speaker and the listener will always exist, despite any social or organizational factors. These exchanges are characterized by openness, honesty, and mutual respect, with managers and employees alternating as speaker and listener. Asymmetrical communication is one-way, closed, and characterized by imbalances of status and power. An example of this is top-down communication, such as giving orders or issuing ultimatums. Asymmetrical communication can lead to a communication breakdown. It's important to explain the reasoning behind tasks and decisions to employees, particularly if the employee doesn't play an active role in decision-making. Explaining the reasoning behind decisions and assignments generates willingness from the employees who are responsible for implementing them. This builds engagement and makes the execution process smoother. It's suggested that managers and supervisors set clear expectations for employees regarding work performance, collaboration, and goals. When they know what to do and what to expect from supervisors, employees can be more confident and productive. Clearly communicating your expectations also helps employees understand the company's goals and work towards them effectively. After you communicate your expectations, you can offer constructive, positive feedback to confirm or correct employees' work performance. Both praise and criticism play a role in constructive feedback. Giving praise is a way to show your appreciation for the work your employees have done. It reinforces good work habits, boosts morale, and makes employees feel valued by their supervisor and company. Constructive criticism can help employees learn from their mistakes. Feedback focused on work behaviors instead of being personal or emotional will be better received by employees. It isn't a good idea to give feedback when you're frustrated, disappointed, or angry. Listening is just as important when delivering constructive criticism. Allow employees to explain why a problem exists. Consider the possibility that other factors are causing the issue, such as insufficient time or a lack of skills or resources. Listening to employees can demonstrate sincerity and build mutual respect between supervisors and staff. There are a variety of ways to stay connected with your team. Besides having discussions in person and on the phone, you can also use things like email, text and instant messages, or other apps to communicate within an organization. The growth of remote work has increased the use of virtual communication. Having multiple ways to communicate can encourage employees to reach out to you in the way that feels most comfortable to them. Communication is the foundation of any successful business or team, and it is a critical driver of employee engagement. Consistently employing symmetrical, clear, and constructive communication using a variety of channels can help you build positive relationships and morale in the workplace.